Hey guys, how are you?
Hi, sir. Good
Hi,
evening.
sir.
Hello.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Krish.
Hello. What's happening, guys?
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Okay.
Waiting for the class, sir.
What, ma?
Waiting for the class for you.
Oh, Anisha, where do you live, Anisha?
Bangalore, sir.
Anisha, we need to meet, Anisha.
Sure, sir. Sure.
You always make me smile.
Mhm.
Okay. And I will also make you smile today. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
All right. So let this open up. Okay. So we're talking about my son's girlfriends, correct? He had 4 girlfriends, and we told all the features of his girlfriends. That is where we last stopped. And hopefully you realized how that will help you in the future when you're answering questions, because you remember my guys came and told that is what they remembered when the question was asked. And nobody forgot it. Okay. Even my like 5 years ago students also, they still remember. I didn't even have a son then. Okay. Yet I back then I was talking about my girlfriends. I said I had 4 girlfriends because I didn't have a son. Okay. Anyways, now we have something called a list. We know that. Okay. Now let's start proving all the theories of that we spoke about girlfriends. Okay. The first theory, the features of list is it is ordered, it allows duplicates, it is mutable, and it is heterogeneous. Okay. Now let me explain that. So our X is equal to, and list is denoted by square brackets. This is denoted by round brackets, tuple. This is denoted by curly, and this is also denoted by curly. Okay, but this has something called key and value. I'll teach you what it is, don't worry. It's very easy. Okay, now I have imagined this as a box. Okay, inside this box, it has some elements. Okay, it has 1, it has 2, it has 3, it has 4, 4, 5, Krish, true, 1.004. Now, what type of data is this? 5.
Heterogeneous, different kinds of data.
No, correct. But what is 5?
Integer.
Integer,
What is Krish?
string,
String.
What is true?
Boolean.
boolean,
Boolean.
boolean,
And what?
Float.
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 Well done, well done. So when this dabba or box that we call list, okay, when it has different types of elements, it becomes heterogeneous. If it has only same type of elements like this, then it becomes homogeneous. Okay, heterogeneous means multiple types of elements, and if it has only the same type of elements, it becomes homogeneous. All right. Now, each element inside has a position. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But how many elements are there inside?
7.
No, darling.
4.
4.
No,
9.
no. 9.
9.
There are 9 elements.
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? But the position of those elements starts from 0. So if I
0.
put x of 0, what will I get?
1.
1.
1.
Okay, let's try. Did I get 1? Yes.
Yes.
If I put x of 4, what will I get?
4.
3, 4. I get 4. If I put x of 5. What will I get?
4.
5.
4.
5.
5.
4.
4.
4,
0,
sir.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5. You remember the position starts from 0.
0.
The
Yes,
count starts from 1. So if I ask you how many elements are there, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. But if I ask you the position of the element, you start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? The position is called indexing. You remember in your textbook, you have that first page, index page.
Yes.
What does that page tell you? It tells you where each chapter contents. Correct? It tells you where the chapters are. Exactly the same way, the position 0, 1, 2, 3 tells you where that element is. Okay. Now if I do x of 0, 2, 3.
ಏನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೇಳಲೇನೋ ಫೋನ್
Oh, correct. ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಚಿನ್ನ ನಾನು. Okay. X of 0 to 3 means starting from 0
0.
to 3.
But it will not take third place.
Correct. Why? Because that's your second wife. This is your first wife. This is your second wife. And second wife is not accepted in the society. So we will exclude it. You understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.
0, 1, 2, 3. Now do we include 3 here?
Yes. No.
No.
Like we
No,
don't
no,
include 4. We include.
So we don't include 3. So we include this 3, but we don't include the third element. Got it?
Yes,
You
sir.
Okay. Now if I do 1, 2, 5, what will I get?
2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4, 4.
2, 3, 4, 5.
2,
2, 3, 4.
2, 3,
4.
correct? You understood? So this process is called slicing. So you're slicing this list into small chunks using the start of the slice and the end of the slice. Got it? So we are slicing this to get the start of the slice and the end of the slice. Okay. Now, if I
That one, why not include the third 0 to 3? I not understood, sir.
see, when I do 0 to 3, I told you the third, we starting from the 0th element.
Yes.
0, 1, 2, 3. Correct? So when the slicing happens, it will exclude from here. It will exclude from the third element. So what will come in my output? If I do this, I'll get 1, 2, 3. This is my third element. So this will not get 2. Okay. Can you go from your college to the door of the house? Okay. Now, does that mean I'm asking you to go inside the door or till the door?
Till the door.
Till the door. Same thing. From 0 till 3, not including 3. You understood? Who was that asked me question? Nagamani.
Yes, sir.
So I'm not including 3. That is why I use the example of second wife. All right. Second wife is not included.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Okay. Now, when I leave the start blank, what does that mean? It means from the beginning. From the beginning till 3. So what will I get? Same thing? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, from 3 till the end.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If I leave it blank, the second one blank, that means till the end, which means 3 till end. So starting from third element, which is the third element, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, till the end means everything till here. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. If I leave both blank, what will I get?
Entire
Pull
thing.
the entire list.
Entire
Entire of the
Entire
list.
list.
So from beginning till the end. Got it? Anyone who didn't understand, put your hands up or talk to me. No? Clear?
Before this, we
Yes,
have
sir.
only 1 4. Why is that so? We had 2 4, right? Third position.
Number, whatever number is there,
Zero.
4 is repeated twice. That's why
No, no,
only
no.
one
No,
is
no, I
taken.
think that execution, sir didn't execute it.
Yes,
From 3 to end.
correct. I didn't execute 3 to end.
That one, yeah.
I didn't execute this.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Maybe I added that extra 4 later to show the duplicate
Okay,
thing. Okay, but I didn't.
okay.
Got it. Easy peasy. So far, so good, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now, the next question is from the beginning till the end, but I'm putting this 2 here, which means step through. Step through means, you know, this kunte bille in what is in Kannada? What do you call that in English, man? I don't know what it is called.
Kunte Bille Kannada.
Kunte bille, you know what kunte bille?
Hopscotch, hopscotch.
Hopscotch. You know how hopscotch is? You have 1, 2, then you jump, you skip a box and you jump to the next box, and then you jump again, and then you skip and you jump to the next box. So now this is jumping. If I put 2 here, it will jump 1 element in between. So when I execute this, see, I got 1, 2 is gone, 3, 4 is gone. 1, 4 is gone. Let me run this again. 1, 4 is gone, the second 4 comes. Then 5 is not included, Krish came. True is not included, 1.004 came. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now, this was asked in final round Flipkart. Last question, 8th round. His name was my student's name was Rohit. Okay, Rohit Reddy. This guy, he was doing his last round Flipkart. I still remember I was going to the airport and I was in the call, listening to the interview. All right. And he asked, it was one of the most difficult interviews. You know, Flipkart interview is quite tough. Okay. So this guy cracked everything. And he was in the last round. He was coming from a call center. So from call center, he was going into IT in Flipkart. All right. So he answered everything. The last question they asked him, hey, can you write a code? Imagine you have a list. Imagine you have a list. Can you write a code where you will jump one, like, you know, you will skip one element in between. It was a very simple code. Okay. So he asked him, so Rohit got confused. Why did he get confused? Because the questions before that was very difficult. Very difficult questions. And then when he said, I want a code where it gives me alternate elements from a list. And this guy was scratching his head. He was like, is he really asking me this question? So he asked him again, sir, you mean alternate elements from a simple list? He said, yes. Okay. Like a normal list, 1, 2, 3, 4, not a linked list. That's like a normal list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you want alternate elements? He said, yes. And then this guy, for some reason, he thought it was a trick question. Okay. So obviously I couldn't say anything. So I was just listening, and this guy said, again, he asked him the question. And then that guy started laughing, the interviewer. He said, Rohit, what's the problem? You know, it is such a simple question. Why are you asking me so many times? So Rohit told him, that's exactly why I'm asking you so many times, sir, because the previous questions were quite tough. And now when you're asking me a simple question, I'm trying to think if it's a trick question. And then he started laughing loudly, and he said, no, I know you will answer this. No need to write the code. And straight away he said, what is your notice period and when can you join? So Rohit is still working for Flipkart even today. I think he probably went to Singapore now, if I'm not wrong. All right. But that was what happened. So this was the final round, final question of Flipkart, 8th round. All right. So, which is, I'm not saying they will ask you. They will not ask you. This is a very simple question, but you never know. All right. So when I put 2, it is skipping 2 elements. Now, when I put 3, how many elements will it skip?
2.
Correct. If I put
2.
If I put 4, how many elements will it skip?
3.
3.
Correct. You want to see it? There you go. It skipped.
Means Krish, if we are putting 2 elements here, so we have to skip only one place, right?
Oh, sorry, I didn't understand. What's that?
Like means first example on 10th example, x is : 2 is there now, so we have to skip 2 places or 1. Means
One.
if 2 is there, then only we have to skip 1 place, right?
No. So if I put 2 here, it will skip one element. If
Okay,
I
only
put
one.
1, it will not skip anything. Okay. To skip something, if I put 2, it will skip 1 element. If I put 3, I will skip 2 elements. If I put 4, it will skip 3 elements. And I'll show you why it does that. Okay. So it's a very simple reason because of this. See, we can also do negative indexing. So when I put negative indexing, x of -1, which means I will get the last element in the list. It is going from the opposite direction. Now you can ask me, Krish, why are we putting -1? Why can't we put -0? In mathematics, do we have a -0?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Exactly. So which means when I go from left to right, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. When I go from right to left, it is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and it goes like that. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now here I'm doing -3 till end. So what is -3? -1, -2, -3. From here till end. So what will I get?
Krish, true,
Krish.
1.004.
So I'll get Krish true 1.004. Got it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the lower number till the end. So always the lower number will come on the front. So -3 is lower. Yes. If I put -3 to -1, what will I get?
Same.
True.
Same.
Same.
It's true.
Krish and true. Why?
That -1 will not be included. No?
The second wife is not included. Correct? You understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I put start to finish, but in opposite direction, -1 means opposite, no? So what will happen?
It will
The
reverse the code.
entire
Reversal.
element in reverse order.
Correct. The entire element will be reversed. Got it? Now, this is one of the most commonly asked questions up to 5 years experience in Python. Sometimes they ask even for 7 years experience. Okay, they'll give you a list and they'll say, can you reverse the list?
It's palindrome type of thing.
It's not palindrome, ma. It's not palindrome. I'll teach you palindrome. Don't worry. Okay. This is a simple reversing of a list. But they will not allow you to use indexing. So if they'll ask you, they'll give you a list and they'll say, can you reverse it? Okay, like this. But you cannot use this. Although this will reverse the list, they will not allow you to use this. They will say, do not use indexing and don't use any built-in functions. Write the core code. And I will teach you how to do that. Okay. This, whenever they ask you to reverse a list, although you can do it, by doing this, do not do it. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll teach you how to do it. Okay. Then we have a len function. Len function will tell you how many elements are there inside the list. Okay. So if I do len of x, okay, it should, right, because I added that extra element, it should be 9 now. Okay. So it will give you 9 elements. So how to find out how many elements are there inside a list? Very simple. Use the len function. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Okay. So now we sort of proved that it is heterogeneous. Sorry, Shruti, I'm going to put you on mute. A lot of background noise. So we sort of proved that these elements can have duplicates. It is in a specific order because only because it was in order, I can index it. So I can tell 0th element, can you come out? First element, can you come out? Second element, can you come out? Got it? It is happening because it is in the correct order. All right. Then it allows duplicates. We already proved that it allows duplicates. Okay. Now we need to prove mutability. What is mutability?
We can add the element expiry.
Mutability means changeability.
Like casting.
Changeability.
Change.
So we can change the elements inside the list. And let's go through that. Okay. So far, so good. Any doubts, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No,
Easy,
sir.
easy,
No, sir.
easy,
Good.
easy.
Easy.
Very easy. I know. So, if I want to change something in my list, what are the things I can change? I can add elements. I can remove elements. I can replace elements. All right. Or I can insert a new element. Right. So let's go through this and understand how to do this. All right. Let's say I want to add an element into my list. Okay. So there are 3 methods. These are called functions, or they are also called methods. What do you mean by function or methods? We use this to interact with the list. So these are the properties of the list. Again, what do you mean by that? Now, what is the properties of Anusha? Anusha can stand, Anusha can sit, Anusha can sleep, Anusha can jump, Anusha can run, Anusha can eat, Anusha can read. All these are elements of Anusha, or not elements. Properties or methods, functions of Anusha. Correct? Actions.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, Anusha also has other qualities. Like Anusha is a girl, Anusha is from Bangalore. Now, these are not methods. They are qualities. Correct? So, these are 2 separate things. All right. Anything that is action, stand, sit, run, jump, all this is action, which means Anusha is doing something. Right? So, these, whenever there's action, that means it's a function. It is function. It is doing something. All right. So, you must have heard this in school or somewhere. Do you know what the word append means?
To add?
Add. But where?
At the end.
And to the end of the list?
Exactly. You must have, I don't know if in your school.
the end.
And end.
Correct, correct. So in your school, they might have told you or not, I don't know. But append means adding something to the end. So they would tell you, can you go append yourself to the queue? All right. Which means go join the queue in the end. All right. So when I have a list called 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7. All right. Now I am appending 10 to it. Now where will 10 come?
After 7?
After 7.
End, sir.
After
Correct.
7.
Correct. So I will get 10 in the end. Got it? Now, let's say I want to append one more list. In that list, I have apple and banana. Okay, you see, this is a list. And inside that list, I have two elements. Now, when I do append and put this, that means this entire list will come and append to the end. All right. Now, if we print X, you see, it is a list inside a list. It's a box inside a box. So, append can only add one object. Now, you must be confused, sir. You added 10, it was one object, sir. I agree. No problem. But you added two objects and now you're telling me one object. This is cheating. Now think carefully and can someone guess what I'm referring to as one object here?
List.
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 Correct. So because it's inside the list, it is considered as a single object. Got it?
Yes.
All right. So
sir.
Yes, sir.
append
Yes, sir.
can only add one object. It can be an integer, it can be a string, it can be a float, it can be a list, it can be a tuple, whatever you want, but it has to be only single. And it will add to the end. Now, inside this list, I can put 100 elements. No problem. But it is still appending single object. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone with a question mark in your forehead right now?
And if I want to append only one string, then?
Then you put only one string inside here like this.
Okay.
All right. So I can remove the list here and remove this. Now what will this append?
String.
Apples with
Only apple.
Apple.
It will append only apple. Let's do it. Did it append apple? Did it append apple?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But can I do another append like this? One comma. Now it has like what 10, 12 elements. Now when I do this,
Yes.
the entire list will get appended now. You see? Yes. Now you must be thinking, sir, why did it become vertical? Can someone guess why it became vertical?
size.
Correct. It became too long. That's why. Got it?
Yes, sir. So we
Any-
can append the dictionary also, no, sir?
Whatever you want, ma.
Because dictionary and the list are mutable, no?
Correct. Even you can append tuple also. No problem.
Okay. Okay.
But single object.
Single
Okay.
object.
Whatever it is, single object. Now, I'll ask a quick question on that. Whatever you raised now, that's actually an interview question. Whatever you raised, that's a 6 up to 7 years, they ask that question. Okay. And I'll ask you when we get there. Okay. Let's see if you can answer. Okay. That's a very good question you asked. Now,
Okay.
I have extend. All right. Extend means you're extending something. All right. So now I have two lists: apple, banana, cherry, orange, mango, pineapple. All right. So when I do x dot extend y, what is it going to do? It will extend the x list with the y elements, which means it will break the box and put these elements inside the x list. You see here? So this is add. When would I use extend? When I want to join two lists. Got it? Whenever I want to join two lists or when I want to add multiple elements, then I will use extend. Did it merge two lists? It merged X and Y? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Did anyone get confused?
No, sir.
Easy peasy. All right. Now we can also extend, instead of extend, we can also use plus. X is equal to x plus y. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now when I do x plus y, I'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Is that limited only to the integer content or both string?
Anything. This plus is mainly not, it does not look at the elements inside, it is only looking at the object. So it is looking at the list and it is merging the two lists.
So you can do the same for the above apple
Correct.
orange content.
Yes, you can. Okay. Instead of using extend, we can do plus. And if you don't want to use plus, you can use extend. Got it? Very, very simple. Now we have insert. Okay. Now let's say someone gives you a book. Okay. And they'll ask you, can you go please insert this in the shelf? Now there are two questions you will ask them. Okay. Number one, which shelf or where in the shelf, the position, and the book, which book. Correct. What do you want to insert? So that is what I do. X is my list, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm saying, can you insert in the first position? Kiwi. So where do you think it will go here?
Second place.
After
Like
one.
second element. Yeah.
After one, sir.
Correct. There you go. You see? Insert means it is used to insert an element, but it will insert in the position you give. And it can insert one element or multiple elements. When I say multiple elements, using the list or tuple or dictionary, but it will insert one object. Got it? Like append, it can insert one object. You understood, guys?
So insert.
What?
Understood, sir.
Okay.
To add only one element, we use insert.
One element or one object. Okay. Now we know how to add elements. We know append, extend, and insert. Now we need to remove the element. How can we remove? So we have very simple again, x dot remove, and you mention whatever you want to remove, what element you want to remove. That's it.
So
Got it?
in insert function,
Yes.
we add enter list also in the first position.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. One object, single object, like append.
Okay.
Okay, exactly like append. Okay.
Can
Now,
we insert, sorry, please, can we insert multiple times?
no. So one insert will insert one object. If you want to insert multiple times, then you write the code again. X dot insert the position and then you insert again.
Okay.
Got it?
Position, only first position we can insert, huh?
Oma, only one insert statement, one position, one object.
It's okay, sir. Position, maybe after two, we add kiwi.
Then you put 2 here.
Okay.
Got it?
Understand. Got it.
Easy peasy.
Sir, how can we insert in first position?
0.
0.
Correct?
Hello.
Yeah, Prashant.
Yeah, the multiple it is not possible, sir.
We can, that's what I'm saying. You got to insert using an object, list object. Okay. Or we can do a loop, which we'll do later on. Okay. But now one insert statement will have only one position, one object.
It will be like inheritance, like sir.
How inheritance?
So inheritance will be the multiple this one.
No, correct. But
Yeah.
it's not like inheritance. It is only this is where we are inserting something into a list. Inheritance means it is adopting the character from a product. Correct.
Okay.
So this is different now.
Okay, okay, sir. Understood.
Okay. All right. Now we know how to insert now. We know how to append. We know how to extend. Now we're going to understand how to remove. So when I write x dot remove kiwi, the kiwi will get removed. Okay. So here, whatever kiwi that I have, kiwi will get removed. So in remove statement, I need to mention what I want to remove. So if I want to remove 1, I will remove x dot remove 1. If I want to remove 2, I will remove x dot remove 2. If I want to remove kiwi, I will write x dot remove kiwi. All right. So in list, in remove, we need to mention what we want to remove. Now, let's say I have a list called kiwi, banana, and kiwi again. Okay. Now, if I remove kiwi, which kiwi will go?
First.
First kiwi.
First.
Correct. The first kiwi will go. Okay. It will not remove all the kiwis. It will only remove the first kiwi. Got it? All right. The next thing that we have here is, I am showing append again. Maybe someone asked a question. Okay. Now, if I want to remove element, but not based on kiwi, but based on what do you call
Position.
position. Index. So in that case, I will use pop. Got it? So x dot pop, okay, x dot pop 1. So what do you think will go if my list is this? What do you think will get removed?
Banana.
Banana. Banana, sir.
Correct. And when I save this, you see, I got banana. All
Why?
right. Now,
Sir, why?
Vama,
First place is the kiwi, right?
where ma 0, 1.
Oh, okay.
Okay. 0, 1, 2. Okay. So first position is banana. Banana got removed. Now, there is one difference, main difference, two main differences between remove and pop. Okay, what is this? Pop means it will remove the element based on the position of the element. Correct? Remove means it will remove the element based on what you want to remove. You have to mention the name of the element. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, there is one more difference. Okay. What is that difference? When I did remove, x dot remove, okay, you see, I did x dot remove kiwi here. Let me run this again. Okay. I did x dot remove kiwi. I said I is equal to x dot remove kiwi. Okay. When I did this, kiwi got removed. But did kiwi get saved inside I?
No.
No, sir.
So when I execute this, see, there's nothing inside. Okay. There's nothing inside. But when I did this, I is equal to x dot pop 1. Okay. The banana got saved inside I. Got it? So this, when it pops, it returns the element. Got it? It will return the element back to you. So you can save it inside a variable. You understood?
No, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. See, when I did x dot remove kiwi, okay, and whatever I'm removing, I want to save it inside a variable, okay. So when I did this, the kiwi is removed from the list, but do you think it got saved inside I?
No, sir.
No. See, I is empty, nothing inside. Okay, but when I do pop, I is equal to x dot pop 1, what will be there in the first position? Banana, right? So when I pop it, I should have banana, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
There it is saved. So, all right. So what is the difference then? When I do remove, it will not allow me to save that removed element. But when I do pop, it will allow me to save the popped element. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, why do I need to do this? Sir, okay, fine, sir. If you're removing, then why are you bloody saving it again? All right, are you crazy? No. See, sometimes what we have to do is maybe remove apple from one box and put it in another box for some reason. Correct. So I'm here, I want to remove it from this box, save it inside here, and maybe use this box somewhere else to do something else. You got it?
Yes.
So when we don't want to save the element, when we don't want any output, or when we don't want to save it inside, okay, another box, then I will use remove.
Remove.
If I want to save it and use it somewhere else, okay, then I will use
Pop.
pop. Now, if I know what element I want to remove, okay, I will use, and I know the name of the element, I will use remove. If I don't know the name of the element, but I know the position of the element, I will use
Pop. Pop.
pop. Got it? Very, very simple. So they will not ask you to write any code. They will only ask you one thing. What is the difference between remove and pop? Okay. This question, they usually ask for up to 4 years, 3 to 4 years experience. And fresher interviews. Okay. Very easy question. All right. But like I told you, in Python, there's not much theoretical question they can ask because they cannot ask about oops concepts. All right. The reason is it is not used in your syllabus. It is not used in data engineering or data analysis or data science. So they don't ask it. Only when you go to Mang and Fang companies. You know what Mang and Fang is?
Yes, sir. Meta.
Yeah. Right. When you go to these companies, that is when they will ask you uh, oops concepts or maybe DSA questions. Okay. Now, usually people take, I have a lot of friends. I mean, the directors, architects of all these companies, they are very good friends of mine. All right. So these guys, when they joined, very recently, one of my friends joined, Alok Jain. He was working for Amazon, AWS, and from there he moved to Google as a engineering director. He's the director of one of the segments. All right. Now, this guy, he quit Amazon, AWS, and he prepared for 1 year before he did his Google interview. All right. That is how usually it works, where you need a minimum preparation of at least 1 year and every day, like IIT. Got it? So people do it like IIT. The reason is they don't look at outcome. They're not looking at output. So they will ask you to reverse a string and they're not going to tell you, okay, did you get the output or not? What they're focused on is how soon did you get the output? And how much less time you took to get the output? And what is the logic you used? All right. For example, let's say I put you inside a house and I lock all the doors and windows. Now I will ask you to come out of the house. Now you will say, sir, how will I come out of the house if the doors are locked? All right. Now that is a normal guy who will ask this question. He will try to open the door, he will try to open the window. Now the prize money is $1 million. Now, why will they pay you $1 million if you have to open the door and come outside? Correct. They don't want you to open the door and come outside. They want you to find a way that a normal person does not think. That is why they're giving you $1 million, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So, when you go to these interviews, they are not expecting a guy to come write the code and get the output. They're expecting a guy who will get out of the house like using some extraordinary methods and smartness. Now, I don't know. Even he doesn't know. But that is the point. How soon will he figure it out? And how fast can he come out? Now, again, another similar scenario would be if I ask you to go from Bangalore to Delhi, all right. Now, anyone can buy an air ticket, flight ticket, train ticket, bus ticket, and go there. Now, if you take a flight ticket, the good thing is you'll reach fast, but it is expensive. If you take a train ticket, it is slow, but it is mediocre expensive. All right. If you take a bus ticket, it is the slowest, but it is cheap. You can also go by walking. Correct. Now, if I tell you, go to Delhi the cheapest way, well, how will you go? You can go by bike, or you can go take lift, or you can take whatever. The cheapest way you'll go. The guy who comes there with the least amount of money spent will get $1 million. So what will he do? He will find the cheapest way to reach Delhi and he'll get 1 million. But what if I tell you he should reach there the fastest and the cheapest? Now that is clever. How will he do that? He can't take flight because it is expensive. Right? That is what coding is all about when it comes to Mang and Fang. Got it? So a lot of people think, sir, we have to do DSA, we have to do lead code, we have hacker rank. Yes. But what are you learning there? You're not learning coding. Coding can be learned in 1 hour. Maximum 1 hour, you can learn all the concepts if you focus. All right. But what they are teaching is the logic and, think outside the box attitude. How to achieve what I told in the shortest way and the fastest way possible. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, when you do that, that's when you become Google employee or Tesla employee or I don't know, SpaceX or NASA. All right. I met someone yesterday. This guy, he works in Washington. Okay. And he went to do his master's. He is from Mandya in Karnataka. He went to do his master's about 25 years ago to US. He did his master's and then he could not get a job. So he kept applying and he applied for a government job. Okay. And he got the government job. And for last 25 years, he's working for the US government. Now, let me tell you what he does. He works for one of the most secret agencies. He cannot tell his wife, he cannot tell his children, he cannot tell anyone what he does. He cannot use his phone. There are 6 layers of doors that he has to cross. He has to keep the phone outside, and after that, he has to cross 6 layers to go inside, and 6 layers of checks before he goes to his office, his cabin. He's not allowed to make friends in office. He's not allowed to talk to anyone else in the office. If his wife wants to talk to him, there's only one phone. All right. And that is the only in the case of emergency. If he's going to meet his friends, he needs to declare every friend's name and their background. And there'll be a background check done on that friend. Only then he can go meet them. If he makes a new friend, he has to go and inform the authorities that he made a new friend, and the authorities will do a full background check on them, and only then they will allow him to be friends with him. Now, where do you think he's working? I mean, I was trying to guess, but
White House or FBI?
maybe FBI, maybe CIA, or maybe some secret organization. But he's doing that for the last 25 years.
It's true.
And he says, all I do is I go in the morning 7:30 until 4 p.m. I am only coding. Nobody can beat me in coding. And the best part is, I'll tell you what is this, okay? Nobody knows what they are building. Every day in the morning, they get a task. I'm not kidding. No? This is serious. I know them because my sister knows them for the last 25 years. And it's been the same for the last 25 years. So they were visiting us and I was talking to them, and that's when I found out. So it is a true story. I'm not kidding. He gets us what do you call work every morning, 9 a.m. 7:30 a.m. to his email that he has to do this today. And that's it. He does that and he goes home without talking to anyone. Now, I was thinking that was quite sad, I mean, such a boring life. But he must be doing something crazy. He's not telling me, or even his wife doesn't know. I asked her seriously, do you know like where he works or whatever? I said, no, I don't know. He's never told me. I know he works for the government, but we don't know which department. We don't know what he does. We don't know who he works with. We've never met even a single colleague of his in the last 30 years. Crazy, yeah? Now, the reason I was telling about this story was because of the Mang and Fang story. So how to prepare and things like that. All right. So, okay. So now you know the difference between remove and pop. Now, if I write pop and I don't type anything inside,
Mango.
what will get popped? The
Mango.
last element in the list will get popped. Mango. The last element. Got it? If I don't put a position, the last element will get popped. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So now you know how to insert and you know how to delete. The last one that in deletion we have is called clear. What does it do? When I do x dot clear, it will remove all the elements from the list, but the list is still there. So if I tell you, Anusha, can you clear the box or the elements inside the box? What will you do? You'll remove the elements from the box, but the box is still there, no?
Like we are clearing in from the in the terminal.
Clearing what in the terminal? Sorry?
In command prompt, something code we have done.
Correct. So we are clearing the elements, but we are not deleting the list. Got it? The X is still there. Now to delete that X, what do? I write del X. Delete X. Now X is gone. You understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very, very simple. Very, very easy. You see, coding is so easy. All right.
Doubt. One doubt, sir.
What, ma?
One doubt.
Yes, ma.
Actually, there is a
I can't hear you, Praveen. Sorry. Praveen? Okay. We'll let him come back and we'll find out his question. Okay. All right. The next part is tuple, but we will do tuple from the next class. So list, you know how to add, how to remove, how to insert, how to append, how to extend, how to pop, how to clear, and how to delete. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. The next class I'm going to teach you, we'll continue from tuple. See, I told you tuple and set, they don't ask questions. And it'll be only question they'll ask you is difference between list and tuple. That's all. Nothing else. Okay. So tuple is going to be a very short lesson, and set is also a very short lesson. They will never ask any questions in set. Dictionary and list is the most important one. Almost 60% of the questions will include dictionary or set. Okay. So we will focus. Now we've only learned very basic about how to add and how to remove. Now we will do some crazy stuff. We'll do a small mini project. We'll do many mini projects, but very small one. And the day you finish that and you understand that, give a pat on your back and call yourself a developer. Okay? At least intermediate developer. All right, you use code to build something. That is what is important. Got it? Awesome.
Yes, sir.
All right, that's about it for today, guys. I'll continue the next session from tuples. All right?
okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
Very
Thank you,
good
thank you,
night,
sir.
Thank you,
guys.
sir.
Thank you.
Krish.
Right, sure.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night.